What's up, guys? I'm here live at NATDA 2023. I'm here with Matt from Towro, and I want to talk to him a little bit about his relationship with Diamond C and also a little bit about the show. What do you think about the show so far?
Man, it's been great. This is our we're a brand new dealership, so this is our first time. It's super. We're learning a lot. We're finding everything that's here is just amazing. So it's cool. It's
Awesome.
fun. Your guys' booth is great too. It's awesome.
Okay, awesome. Appreciate it. What do you think about Nashville?
Nashville's fun, man. It's it's get you in trouble quick if you're not careful.
Yeah, no doubt. That's true. Absolutely. So, been with Diamond C for a little bit. What do you think about working with Diamond C?
Man, they as far as all of our dealers that we work with, they're by far the best and the easiest to work with, and probably the best product. I mean, that's out there. So, the culture of Diamond C is awesome. That's what we are trying to emulate in our company is your guys' culture too. So it's, we're brand new, so we're just getting started at this, but that's kind of what we're trying to do is be like you guys and just, sell the product. We want to sell the best products, and it's what we're working towards.
Okay, awesome, man. Well, I really appreciate that. So, how long have you been selling Diamond C trailers?
4 months.
4 months, so really new.
Yep, we're the second dealer in South Dakota with Diamond C is all, and we are gonna have more than the other dealers. So,
okay,
we're basically going exclusive with Diamond C.
Okay.
So we're gonna be heavy on your trailers, and we like them. That's what we want to push. So that's what we're doing.
Okay, awesome. Well, I appreciate the time today, Matt.
Thank
It was
you.
great to meet you, and that's a wrap.